So hi everyone, welcome back to our new video. So today I will show you how to use iframe component. So for this demo I will try to show our employee center portal into the workspace. So this is going to be our workspace, where on this link we will show the employee center portal via the iframe component. So let me show you. So this is my workspace. So here this is the page which is added with that tab, and here we will add the iframe component. Let it load first. So I have already added. So if you want to add, so you just need to click on add content component, and here you need to search iframe. So once you select it, so it will ask these input parameters for the configuration. So here you can define the title. Here you need to define the URL of the website or application or any portal you want to show. So for this demo we are going to show the employee center portal. So for that the URL will be /esc, and this allow is basically we use to define the attributes. So basically you can say like some applications uses some script or some JavaScript things, right? So let's say those attributes is not defined in this allow. Okay, so in that case your application won't be able to render in the iframe. So according to your application you need to define here, and if you just want to do testing, so what you can do, you can just check this disable sandbox. So it will remove all these restrictions, and your application will be able to visible without any sandbox. So but this is not the recommended way, so you need to define your attributes in the allow fields. Okay, once you are done here, you can use these other fields as well for as per your need. So right now we are just going to show. So once you are done with this, and you have to just save it, and if you go back and you just reload, so this is my page where I have added. Okay, once I click it, you can see its name is ESC portal as it mentioned in the title, and source is ESC. So see, now we are able to see the entire employee center service portal in the workspace via the iframe. Yeah, thank you. That's all for